She's the good type, acting like the bad guy. Never really loved her right, trust was always out of sight. Here she is, glossing her lips with the tears of her conflicts. So dear, there's hurt in her, but she's an actor, not by choice. Oh, she's an actor, and sadly she's always employed. Oh, 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 She wanted love but was so doubt, and just enough so she could never figure out exactly what it was that she felt in her gut. Made her question what she was going crazy about. So she walks through her favorite store, the one with potions, pills and more. Trust issues and depression, but they sell happiness through prescription. She's the good type, acting like the bad guy. Never really loved her right, trust was always out of sight. And here she is, glossing her lips with the tears of her conflicts. Oh dear, there's hurt in her, but she's an actor, and not by choice. Oh, she's an actor, and sadly she's always employed. Oh, 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 yeah. One touch and you will see her porcelain skin cracks easily, but deep within she's protecting a heart of gold, and it's beautiful.